Before, I was once a street child. I've grown up with my mom, a single mother, and there was a point food was really something ekizibu ekyokufuna. Era embeera gye nayitamu, I wouldn't wish for every child ayite mu mbeera eyo. That's why when I can put a smile on any child, anytime, anywhere, even if it's for a day or for a minute, mpulira nga kyenkoze kinsatisfying ku mutima. Massive Foundation today funye omukisa okugulawo foundation eno ne office n'abantu abalungi ab'Embarara abalina omutima probably gwenjo gamba ng'ogwange submission nenge gye balabamu ebintu naddala ng'abaana b'oku street, so ndi wa mukisa okuba nga tusharinze olunaku luno together era mbeebaza spirit eyo kubanga not everybody are sacrificing us space ng'ekifo kino bagamba tugenda kiwaayo ku lw'abaana ba street tugezeeko batraininga babuulirira bazzaamu amaanyi, so nange omuntu abaddewo nnyo for the kids naddala abaliko obulemu abataliko mwasirizi aba street okubanga nange kyembeerako most of the time. I was happy for this and then ngamba nti nja kuyitawo. I managed to bring a few things ebyokukozesa emmere sabuni ebyokunywa ebyokulya n'ebintu ebyenjawulo bingi era nembagamba nti at least every month I would try to send in whatever small I have naddala nga sabuni at least manye ekyo kiri catered for, but I still call upon every person. It's not a work of the government, it's for all of us fena, because bano baana baffe talina kuba biological child but as our citizens of Uganda fenna kitukakatako omwana wo omulala naawe aba mwana wo naawe oba mwana wa muntu mulala, so it's our job all of us okulaba nga twesika ku mukono tuyambagana. It's the way to go. Before, I was once a street child. I've grown up with my mom, a single mother, and there was a point food was really something ekizibu ekyokufuna. Era embeera gye nayitamu, I wouldn't wish for every child ayite mu mbeera eyo. That's why when I can put a smile on any child, anytime, anywhere, even if it's for a day or for a minute, mpulira nga kyenkoze kinsatisfying ku mutima, because I was also mweye embeera nga njagala someone to just help me with 500 Uganda shillings to just get something to grab for lunch, and I didn't have anyone, so I don't want to see another child. I might not reach out to everyone, every child in the world. Nebe mba nsobodde okutuukirira, I try my best. Yeah. Kuzimba, of course nzimbye nnyingi nnyo. Everywhere I go, I add ntekako etoffaali. I might not build nga bwe nazimba ekizimbe nti ntaddemu abaana, but I give a hand to so many foundations. Right now, Ankole Medina Foundation, MPG, we are constructing a whole community okutekamu abaana abatalinaako mwasiriza abaliko obulemu and their mothers. Then I've reached out to different foundations, different homes, different streets. Nga bwenze wano gig is not like my foundation, but I've said nga bwe mbagambye nti tolina kuba yo, tolina kuba nga olina kinene, tolina kuba government to give a hand. Just ekitono ky'olina you can share. Ne weba meal for a day olina ky'ocontributing nze. So for me, building a foundation is every day of my life. Wonna we nsobodde, even if mpise ku street nefunayo omwana omu babiri and I make them smile for that day, that's a foundation for me. Nga bwe mbadde mbabuulira ne mbagamba nti balina okweyambanga bo first of all, tulwanyise ebiragalagala bye bakozesa. Kati nga gigimasi bwezze ejagezaako console like ogezaako bawa amaanyi, give them hope, talk to them. Omwana yenna gw'olaba nga ali willing to change ate nga alina talent naye wesanga ng'omuyambye, but it's going to be a whole process. You can't wake up nojja mwana ku street n'ogamba I'm going to develop the talent. Jjukira omwana wa ku street alina bingi byazzaayitamu, some of them are not mentally stable, so it is a process. Osooka obayigiriza how life works, n'omuteeka mu mbeera y'abantu, n'osooka n'omunaturinga. So nature talent is going to come later, but it's going to be abaana abali willing to change, abaana bali willing okutambula ne foundations. One of them is butabankomaka naye ngaffe abavubuka sometimes tweretera ebizibu bino. Tubeera nnyo teke alina kukozesa ebiragalagala to be a star. so kati kyensaba Gigi Mercy bongera okubuulira abaana bano nti they have talents, they have dreams, ne waliwo ebintu ebigenda okubanga tebigenda basobozesa kola ki kutuuka ku birooto byabwe. So ebiragalagala na biki byonna balina okwebuulira nga babavubuka ne bava ku bintu ebyo. It's not only butabanguko maka, but to the parents out there, I'm not a mother nti nina omwana, but I'm a parent in my heart and in spirit. So nyongero bakubiriza, let's treat the kids never see what biologically, just no mwana tomanyi kyagenda ba tomorrow ayinza obanga yagenda okuyamba yagenda oyamba your biological children oba your president wensi. So let's treat all kids equally tumanye nti beba future of tomorrow. Bagambye nti bana baana twagala nnyo bayamba naye balina nabo okweyamba. I've been following him even before my concert. I met him ku stage wakolera mu industrial area. Ate ekyomukisa omulungi ekyansanyusa piki tannagitunda akyagirina era wali ne yankubirako nga bamukutte ku street ng'avuga piki nengezaako okugenda nabo ne bamuta, meaning he's still working but still ebye kubanga akozesa ebiragalagala kyali kikyagaanye era bimu ku bya giving up, but still I never gave up completely. I still talk to him. Nemugamba nti gwe kenyino okwekyusa, cause I try to take him to the rehab, ne bamubuulirira ne bamukansolinga ng'alaga nti akyastikinze kuki kunywa enjaga, but I kept talking to him. Nemugamba nti you're going to change yourself. Ne bwe nagezaako okutwala mu rehab nenkugulira engoye empya nga teweekyusiza nga gwe mutima, it's going to be hard, but I never gave up on him. I still talk to him. I still want the best for him. That's why namufunira ka business asobole otambuza obulamu bwe.
Foundation country director and Gigi Mercy Foundation omuri Ankole n'omusingi ogw'embabazi ogw'aba abakozi b'ensi ab'embabazi. So Gigi Mercy Foundation eri aha musingi ogw'okureeba ngu twagarukanisa abaana abarikutuura nguuto n'abazaire baabo abarabe batabaine twine kubaho nka Gigi Mercy Foundation kureeba oku bakubaasa kubaho nk'embeera eziyakubire ayine omuzaire, kandi itwe nka Gigi Mercy Foundation turiho kureeba ngu abaana aba bazo mu talents zaabo ninga skills zaabo nk'oku bari aha kuba twena tukahanga omu kishusho kya Ruhanga. So omwana ori aha ruguuto nanye Ruhanga yanamureeba nareeba turikushishana mwenu Gigi Mercy Foundation eriho kureeba ngu abaana nabo bagira akashepo amatama bamanya ngu nabo nibatuura omu ihanga ryabo nangwa n'obuyakuba ritari ihanga ryabo nitubaasa kureetera n'agandi mahanga gareetera okukunda abaana abo aha kuba kikaba abamwe twahereze kubuririza nitushanga ngu abamwe bakatoroka omu maka. Okutoroka omu maka okwo nukureetwa obumwe obutagira ky'okubaheereza. So itwe nka Gigi Mercy Foundation nituza kufolowinga omwana waitu mpaka harikuruga to making sure ekyabireho okureeba ngu yarugayo kukirabe ekyabire omuzaire obutafuna nituza kwempoweringa omuzaire at the same time a child kureeba ngu really empowering the whole community concerning our Gigi. Actually it is just a cycle because we follow this child up to where she's coming from ninga shahakuruga. Mwene Gigi Mercy Foundation itwe tubandise kubuririza kumanya eshonga habwaki abaana abo bari aha street, then aba bandi nabo nituza kubateeraho amaka abashange ngu nabo biine amaka bari abaana baitu bari abishiki baitu n'abasigazi baitu aha kuba twine n'enkora ey'okuza kugira ngu naba abarabe mbaza kushwerwa nituza kuguma nitubakorera embaga nk'oku yakubira ayine omuzaire we. So I'm looking at Gigi Mercy Foundation as a very big thing. Actually ekinkushaba ninshaba gavumenti mutatureeba nk'aba barihari, we are here kubakwatiraho nimwe mukatukwatiraho aha kuba nk'oku mukureeba Gigi Mercy Foundation offices ezitwigwire twekwasire omu nshaho tubire tutakafunire abokutuheereza obuyambi konka twareeba ngu ekyo ekintu kyabaho kandi obuzima ekintu ekirimu Ruhanga ningira mwakireeba abamwe mwakire baba bariho a function age kwija Spice Diana akatwatiraho itwe tubita kumanya ngo naija kuba ari mu rembo rwa Mbarara konka habo kugira me amwe reader of the word of God. Where there is one schooling, there is provision. That's why tutukuza kufuba mnonga. So government, I'm sorry so much. I invited you. You did not come on board, but I thank God that God intervened and brought people who would support us. I thank you so much. May the good bless you, the media that have been here, because you are really with us. If you would not been with us, you would not be here. So I take you as a partner. Always follow us wherever we go. The struggle continues. We see our country shine.
Are you in Mbarara?
As I told you, I'm the country director, and there is a vision bearer who is on international level. But me, I'm on national level. That's why we are having very many representatives on national, on district level, on division level. So we are countrywide, and when we get our vision bearer, then we are operating internationally. Actually, we have the vision of bringing other street children internationally to come and visit their fellow sisters and brothers in Uganda. Thank you so much. Ningashu kubuririza aha bwakibari ya street, because kutukubabuririza twabahika nko kutwaturiyo ntukora embaga nabo baba free.